Hello, welcome to Asia's Handmade channel. We are here with the 6th video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In this video, we will do a triple crochet together. You will find how to crochet a triple crochet in Magic Loop 2 in this video. To learn how to crochet step by step, you should definitely check out my Let's Crochet Together playlist. Let's start. Make a slip knot and create a chain. For example, chain 15 to start. You can find all about slip knot and chain stitch in my second video of Let's Crochet Together series. You can find the link in description. Yarn over, wrap the yarn around the hook, twice, you will have 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. The first 3 chains create the height needed for the triple crochet. Yarn over again and pull through the stitch. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You should now have 3 loops remaining. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. You now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Continue making triple crochet stitches across your row or in the next rows as needed. Keep your tension consistent to ensure uniform stitches. Practice on a swatch to get comfortable with the technique. When you reach the end of the row, chain 3 to turn. This counts as your first triple crochet for the next row. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the top of the first triple crochet from the previous row, and repeat the steps. Let's make triple crochets in the magic loop. Create a magic loop. You can find my How to Crochet Magic Loop video in the description. Chain 3. Yarn over twice, you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the magic loop. Yarn over again and pull through the loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You will have 3 loops remaining. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. You should now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Once you have the desired number of triple crochet stitches in the loop, gently pull the tail of the yarn to close the magic loop. If working in the round, join with a slip stitch to the top of the first triple crochet to complete the round. Make sure not to pull the magic loop too tight before you finish your stitches. You can add more triple crochet stitches to the loop as needed for your pattern. Now you're ready to use triple crochet in a magic loop. The magic loop is great for starting projects like amigurumi or circular motifs. I recommend you visit my Etsy shop link in the description for easy crochet patterns with step-by-step tutorials. You can crochet lots of lovely things with these stitches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you on the next project. Happy crocheting!